Here is another anti-Rona immune builder. This works to strengthen up the immune system and create like a force field around the body by strengthening up the skin so that wind and cold and any microorganisms are difficult to even get into the body. So in this here we have some astragalus, Huang Qi, which is excellent for strengthening the qi of the lungs. Uh, Next we have some Baiju, which is also excellent for strengthening the qi, atractolids. It's also good for the digestion. One of the things with coronavirus, it not only affects the upper respiratory, but it also affects the digestion, the atractolids. Next we have some Guizhou in here. This is the twig from the cinnamon tree. This really helps to strengthen up what we call the yin and the wei. Helps to warm the blood, keep the body warm. A lot of times what's going on is folks, their bodies are cold, and it takes a lot of energy to heat the body up. In my private practice, a lot of times when I take my patient's temperature, instead of being like 98.6 degrees, it's 97.9 degrees, 97.8 degrees, and the further we are away from optimal body temperature, the further our body is from functioning optimally. And it takes energy, qi, to strengthen, to warm up the body. And so this helps with that function of gently warming the body, the Guizhou, cinnamon twig. Next that's in there is Bishao. It's hidden up under here. It helps to strengthen the liver. Also with the yin and the wei, the boost the immune system, that outer fortress. Dat Zhao. These are Chinese red dates. Sweet, helps to strengthen up the qi. Helps with the digestive system. From our digestive system is the root of how our body extracts nutrients and begins the process of turning into qi and blood. Vital energy is what you also need for your immune system to function well. We have Sheng Di Huang, raw Romania root. This helps to clear heat and cool the blood if the body is overheated with any fever. Also helps to moisten the lungs, moisten all of the organs, strengthen up the yin energy in that way. We have Sumbu Weitza, which is in here also, which is schizandra fruit, schizandra seed, excuse me, which is a fruit. Has all the 5 flavors in it, which are sour, bitter, sweet, pungent, and salty. All of it is in the schizandra seed. You've seen it many times before as one of those kind of like super nutrients. We have Baibu, which is hidden under there also. This is Stimona. This helps to stop cough and transform any phlegm in the lungs specifically. We also have Qianhu, which also helps to Pusidium, which also helps to stop cough and transform any phlegm that's in the body. We have Zhirke, which is a it's in like the orange family. It's a bitter orange and it helps to open up any congestion that might be in the lungs. To helps to regulate the qi and move any congestion that might be in the lungs, that kind of stuck, stuffy feeling. Helps to move all of that. This is Lian Chow. This is the bud of a forsythia flower. I actually crushed it in the mortar and pestle. This is excellent because it clears heat in all levels of the body. The upper body, if there's any heat in the lungs and in the upper respiratory system, any heat in the digestive system with diarrhea and upset stomach, and so with the liver, all of it, all levels of the torso, the upper, middle, and the lower torso, helps to clear any heat, any fever, which helps to relieve the body in that way also. And last is bohe, which is mint. Really helps to cool the body off, keep the body cool if anyone also has any fever. The very excellent fragrance of bohe is very aromatic, goes up in and opens up the chest in that way. And so together, these help to form a force field around the body by strengthening the lung qi, moving the lung qi, moistening the lungs, clearing heat, and there we go. It's the immune building formula there.